parents, we are delighted for your patience and commitment in shaping our minds of good values and long life lessons in order for us to become good citizens. To our beloved parents and guardians, we hope that you are comfortably seated in the bleachers and in your assigned seats. On behalf of the completers of school year 2025-2026, we warmly welcome you and dedicate this occasion as a double celebration, one that honors not only our achievements, but also your unwavering support, guidance, and sacrifices. Behind every milestone we celebrate today are countless unseen efforts, quiet acts of love, and your constant presence as our source of strength. For all of these and more, we are deeply grateful and forever indebted to each and every one of you. We also hold dearly in our hearts our OFW parents who may not be physically present today, yet remain with us in spirit, in love, and in pride. Please know that we never forget you. This moment stands as a testament to your sacrifices, the homesickness you've endured, the sleepless nights you've faced, and the unwavering devotion and love you have given, whether near or far. And to my fellow completers, this remarkable day truly belongs to us. Our perseverance, determination, and growth have brought us to this moment, one where we not only celebrate our achievements, but also honor the journey, challenges, and lessons that shaped who we are today. Think of it this way. Reaching this milestone is kind of like hitting level 6, 7 in a game. We've survived the earlier levels, learned the tricks, and now the challenges get tougher, but also way more rewarding. Yes, we are not just moving up today. We are unlocking another chapter, proving that we are ready for the next stage of the journey. In behalf of the completers of school year 2025-2026, I warmly welcome everyone. May this day be filled with pride, inspiration, and marks another meaningful core memories that we will carry with us long after this program ends. So, moving up. Ano, tara? A pleasant morning and may God and Allah bless us all.
Thank you for that warm and inspiring welcome. Indeed, your words have set the tone for a meaningful celebration of achievement and hope.
To formally open this meaningful celebration, we are honored to hear from our leader whose guidance and dedication continue to shape the direction of our school and inspire both teachers and learners alike. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege to introduce our Assistant School Principal to Ma'am Esther M. Yuliaran.
Thank you so much. Walt Disney once said, children are the world's most valuable treasures, and it's the best hope for the future. My sincere gratitude to each and everyone, especially to our schools division superintendent, Sir Hildo G. Mosqueda, CEO 6, ably represented by Education Program Supervisor in Araling Panlipunan, Sir Cesar Q. Antolin. Equal respect is accorded to our Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Gilbert B. Barrera, Sese, along with the division personnel in attendance. Our indefatigable father of Tacorang National High School, Sir Martin I. Diaz, Principal 3. Also to our assistant to the principal, Lloyd Dalayap, PhD. To our guest of honor, who will be properly introduced later, our academic coordinator for the junior high school and senior high school, Ma'am Marisa Uy and Ma'am Jean T. Fermin, respectively. Our tireless and relentless teachers, the strong force of Tacorong National High School, our beloved parents and guardians, and most of all, to you, our dear completers, guests, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning to each and everyone. Indeed, today marks another milestone not only in the lives of these young children, but also with you, our dear parents and guardians. For today, you will be reaping the fruits of your labors, the hard work and sacrifices, along with the trials and barriers you have conquered in the 4 long years of sacrifices in your junior high school journey. But with this moving up ceremony opens another chapter of your life as you will be enrolling in the senior high school program this coming school year. And we are happy to announce that with you will be the start of the strengthened senior high school program, seemingly different from that of the old curriculum, but will truly prepare you to be the best versions of yourselves. As we all know, the theme of today's moving up ceremony is Filipino graduates prepared to lead with competence and character. These 2 words come together, competence and character. For you to become successful, it is not only that you are competent enough, but you have to couple it with the proper character. For without these 2, moving forward would be different. That is why I believe with the guidance and supervision of your educators, our dear teachers, they have molded you, they have trained you, they have departed everything they knew from the books and all in order for you to master the competencies in the junior high school program anchored in the K-10 Matatag curriculum. With that, we believe that you are competent enough to face another chapter in your life and that 2 years from now, you will be wearing another color of your gown, and that would be blue. And furthermore, 6 years after, we want to see you in the black toga, meaning you are now ready to become our partners in shaping the future, whatever course or track you wanted to pursue. With that, we thank you for being here today, especially for our parents. We know your sacrifices will somehow be paid off this morning as your children receive their certificate of completion. So, without so much further ado, I would like to leave you this quote, which I believe I have made for myself. Children are the source of happiness of their parents, but successful children are their crowning glory. Good morning, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am, for that inspiring message. Truly, education goes beyond acquiring knowledge. It shapes values, builds character, and prepares our learners for the challenges of the future.
At this significant moment, the completion candidate will now be formally presented by our esteemed school principal, Sir Martin I. Diaz, Principal 3.
Magandang umaga sa lahat. our school's division superintendent, Sir Hildo G. Mosqueda, CO6, duly represented by our education program supervisor, Sir Cesar Q. Antolin. Sir, as the principal of Tacurong National High School, I, Martin Indico Diaz, have the honor to present to you the candidates for completion school year 2025-2026. From the Science and Technology Engineering program, there are 32 boys and 40 girls with a total of 72 students. From the special program in the arts, we have 19 boys and 24 girls with a total of 43 students. From the regular class, we have 307 boys and 290 girls with a total of 597 students. In total, there are 358 boys and 351 girls, making an overall total of 709 candidates for completion. After scrutiny of the requirements submitted in my office, I have found that they have satisfactorily completed the requirements for completion. I therefore certify that these candidates for completion have fully satisfied the requirements prescribed by the Department of Education under the junior high school curriculum. Sir, they are now ready for your confirmation.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the duly authorized representative of our Schools Division Superintendent, Sir Heldo G. Mosqueda, CO6 of the Schools Division Office of Tacurong City, and having been presented by your school head and duly certified by your school head, Sir Martin I. Diaz, Principal 3, that you have satisfactorily completed the requirements prescribed by the Department of Education in junior high school under the K-12 Basic Education Curriculum, I now confirm you completers of Tacurong National High School for the school year 2025-2026. You are now eligible to receive your certificate of completion. Congratulations, class of 2026.
Thank you, sir, for officially confirming our completers. Let us give them a round of applause for reaching this important milestone. We now arrive at one of the most anticipated highlights of this ceremony, the distribution of certificates to our completers. This moment symbolizes the culmination of years of perseverance, dedication, and unwavering commitment to learning. Each name to be called represents a journey filled with challenges overcome and dreams brought closer to reality. To lead this meaningful ceremony, may we call on Sir Cesar Q. Antolin, Education Program Supervisor of Araling Panlipunan, assisted by Ma'am Jean T. Fermin, Junior High School Coordinator, and Ma'am Catherine C. Jacob, School Registrar.
Galandi Janhart Gabriel Olancaya with honors.
Formacion Athalia Shaymain Batuampo with honors.
Garillo Gabriel Valdez with honors.
Flores Precious May with honors.
Estocada Roger II Baldonasa with honors.
Espadero Rihanna Marie Diazaban with honors.
Innerland Christoph Matthew Dancil with honors.
Inaya Cynthia Maluwo with honors.
Indigo Carl Luis Salamanca with honors.
De Los Reyes Kyle Sailea Catolico with honors.
Dolo Zetrayo Calcinia with honors.
Castro Christine Abigail Boizel with honors.
De La Pina Gabriel Steven Espinosa with honors.
Boyres Janina Christic Celestial with honors.
De La Cruz Christian Gabriel Vidania with honors.
Balben Charbel Lozarita with honors.
Batislaong Rian Joseph Puchal with honors.
Balayanan Aripa Muhaima Mangulamas with honors.
Arellano Itan Cesar Toroba with honors.
Panelo Madison Jade Kabilan with high honors.
Agdoma Kit Matthew Tesoro with honors.
Mies Gisana Zen Henika with high honors.
Coswangco Christian Dave de los Santos with high honors.
Marcos Leon Alexis Aniversario with high honors.
Gosi Julius Owen Hanero with high honors.
Jalal Kaironiza Faika Kasama with high honors.
Sumobay Aldren Ladica with honors.
Pama Cassandra Parcon with honors.
Sumobay Aldred Ladica with honors.
Pakleb Carissa Betuel Cabrera with honors.
Parcon Renzel Laloyan with honors.
Ocampo Nina Angela Salvador with honors.
Monar Christian Dave Recto with honors.
Noto Kisha Angel Banquirigo with honors.
My guy Jolo Sergio with honors.
Nietes Calikirstin Orpio with honors.
Lorania Vance Leonard Lamanero with honors.
Nicor Jerlyn May Batislao with honors.
Laganya Izer Jan Pellegrino with honors.
Milian Jaisel Sofia Tasani with honors.
Kitab Noah Kabugatan with honors.
Makasama Athena Rian Bautista with honors.
Ilagan Jarid Lawang with honors.
Losito Mary Jennifer Apatan with honors.
Hilario Himan Manudal with honors.
Limbungan Anika Elaine Fermo with honors.
Herrera Kenneth Nabong with honors.
Ligue Princess Lara Juanico with honors.
Grosso Zion Ray Kandig with honors.
Lee Crisa Sofia Amor Lirazan with honors.
Gayusa Con Johnson Kiyon Labadia with honors.
Gersabelino Yasi Barrios with honors.
Worthy Rian Blair Aswila with honors.
Mangako Faisa Batuan.
Garcia Renz Ryan Ramos with honors.
Gabales Shane Diana.
Dahay Janrael Didicatoria with honors.
Abang Fame Daylan Biel Pineda.
Castro Donji Rimuel La Rosa with honors.
Yadaw Abigail Zoe Laurel with honors.
Brasileño Celso III Pagayon with honors.
Tito Jersen Mariscal with honors.
Braga Ralph Miles Arquila with honors.
Timan Jasnin Dimalaw with honors.
Alim Al-Jayad Abubakar with honors.
Tabian Joylyn Bornales with honors.
Maganto Vincent Alcala.
Sarita Princess Enriquez with honors.
Maganto John Felix Alcala.
Silvestre Francis Gian Hasigan with honors.
Gallega Risticarl II Castañares.
Salarda Samantha Andrea Soliba with honors.
Fran Carl David Albino.
Ruben Fatima Puno with honors.
Inson John Lawrence Valenzuela.
Rosete Nadine Lois Petito with honors.
Vergara Vincent Jan Espinosa with honors.
Reyes K. Honor with honors.
Vergara Mark Lennon Pagdato.
Isla Princess Gwen Dumasig with honors.
Lumataw Ain Sandri Alolor.
Gabaon Leia Angeli Gargaran with honors.
Santua Joshua Pineda.
In Cabo, Kirsten Akisha Villaraiz with honors.
Bacon Edwin Elivazo.
Estrella Jonelyn Faith Tabasondra with honors.
Villanueva Nelson Jr. Soleba.
De la Cruz Leonisa Rose Golmayo with honors.
Tan Justine Tono with honors.
Del Prado Crystal Ann Pamplona with honors.
Morgan James Celebri with honors.
Colendres Princess Erica Jane Sangrinas with honors.
Horas Ribiniel Candig with honors.
Casador Fiana Silenza with honors.
Miranda Prime Pete Salibay with honors.
Bugador Divine Rose Tumungha with honors.
May Tumama Duhayron Ilomerag with honors.
Bacas Kate Stephanie Talamante with honors.
Magsipok Juji Natok with honors.
Arapi Yesha Apiang with honors.
Loro Hanselnas Coronia with honors.
Aliwalas Mary Grace Posadas with honors.
Lidisma Juhan Lapides.
Nosirale Risha Ezra Nesisito.
Betalak Mark Kingston Mangelen with honors.
Aguilar Divine Grace Almoquela with honors.
Parangan Leonard Jr. Martinez with honors.
Dilantar Shikaina Saidel Sandao with high honors.
Pantilan John Martin Cuadras with honors.
Tuvilla Sheneme Tubanya with honors.
Balandan Raiden de los Santos with honors.
Romero Princess Gwen Yoterio with honors.
Bagnol Jed Rindel Heradura with honors.
Nisperos Erich Militante with honors.
Ampong Algin Enerio with honors.
Bagilan Jomana Sigero with honors.
Alayon Aljunri Gailan with honors.
Sapol Hanipa Parino with honors.
Aguilar Mark Jomel Leysa with honors.
Rayla 3rd Siren Nicole Chavez with honors.
Alivio John Michael Hino with honors.
Piñapel Altea Carla Candela with honors.
Javier Red Vincent Tanyo with high honors.
Pedroso Asia Kate Laureano with honors.
Entice Jan Kale Salmon with high honors.
Paches Senian Mare Loriego with honors.
Kalanao Jan Kevin Mendoza with high honors.
Lopez Siena Castromayor with honors.
Ibanez John Denver Lee Ebreo.
Labintak Janena Shane Esterninos with honors.
Garde Zian Kurt Ampulier with honors.
Balayman Nasmera Salasal with honors.
Garcia Rogelio Salamunding with honors.
Traqueña Kristen Faith Cosare with honors.
Farah Daniel Caldo with honors.
Balamula Nasrema Dansalan with honors.
Dordas Jomari Fontanilla with honors.
Apelyedo May Caligaspe with honors.
Delgado Marshall Saloneri with honors.
Angeles Crisanta Bless Mikulog with honors.
Dardo Samjay Semuva with honors.
Ampatuan Rosel Kudal with honors.
Dalanta Nasrola Mami with honors.
Ali Shaina Usman with honors.
Cotinho Jared Toilo with honors.
Ali Nadia Uyag with honors.
Cordesa John Lloyd Barcelona with honors.
Albania Precious Gail Flores with honors.
Karaang Erwin Hamelarin with honors.
Libertino Ashley Dacalaño.
Calago Leong with honors.
Barauntong Juana Marie Arboleda.
Kakbay Pierre Simon Estabilio with honors.
Oblega K. Pamposa.
Boston Jasper Brian Dalangbayan with honors.
Abelia Ashley Jane Memorial.
Perez Almar Galvez with honors.
Dalgan Baisea Asan with honors.
Paradero Javis Clint Zaide with honors.
Dagodo Christine Ede with honors.
Novesteras Car Clint Salamanca with honors.
Crispino Altea Rose Labadia with honors.
Mones Jonathan Pinyalan with honors.
Katina Raina May Grace Labanon with honors.
Matanggihan Rech Gabriel Publico with honors.
Castillon Jane Caballero with honors.
Marianito John Dilaire Captig with honors.
Carvajal Laika Vem Torubia with honors.
Marcelino Saichan Padillo with honors.
Carvajal April Abiles with honors.
Loro Zane Justin Reyes Calera with honors.
Borgos Altea May de la Cruz with honors.
Lipura Fritz de Hongoy with honors.
Braca Princess May de los Santos with honors.
Libuna Justin Campoñon with honors.
Bulingkig Arib Nasra Abdulatif with honors.
Latif Amir bin Ali Sharif with honors.
Bilbao Christine Yorag with honors.
Holero Chaser Rendon with honors.
Barrera Alea Kate Abinoha with honors.
Elagizon Zoe Napoles with honors.
Balino Julieta Joe Domingo with honors. Gamueta Gillian Estacion with honors.
Zapanta John Romel Palo with honors.
Gaho Merbilin Dugando with honors.
Zakaria Datu Harif Sanggutin with honors.
Silongco Summer Porcadilla with honors.
Yosores Kurt John Casilo with honors.
Parilyon Sunshine Oscaño with honors.
Villaruel Ethan John Bagares with honors.
Indino Majesty Concepcion with honors.
Subrida Angelo John Betalak with honors.
Ilivaso Jasmine Fernandez with honors.
Sema Alfaris Dapil with honors.
Ider Crystalline Paris with honors.
Santolaha Art Lawrence Agkawile with honors.
Dugando Princess Loreno with honors.
Sano Unix Oscaño with honors.
Duca Sharia Lamillo with honors.
Salana Vince Andre Galvan with honors.
Dordas Princess Yvonne Palmes with honors.
Rivera Renier Lixi Peratir with honors.
De Los Santos Precious K. Mara with honors.
Hugoy Michael Maglasam with honors.
Datahan Mary Joylyn with honors.
Prado Kenneth James Patches with honors.
Damandaman Kayan Kasipi with honors.
Porcal Arnel John Gahe with honors.
Makalisang Giancarlo Padrone.
Kuday Shalani Mako with honors.
Lumugda Juan Carlo Parcia.
Kiram Nornisa Ahmad with honors.
Latusa Ray Justin Daconte.
Kalim Shahana Malik with honors.
Hodilia John Rainier Amarille.
Hulaya Crystal Jane De Jesus with honors.
Gunsang Mark Galvan.
Hayawon April Kate Navigar with honors.
Flores Axel Rick Mamain.
Ismael Alshaida Kumayog with honors.
Fernandez Jake Lawrence Moreno.
Ignacio Princess LJ Bernales with honors.
Ilian Thompson Harvey Diadio.
Hifarva Josephine Aroza with honors.
De la Cruz Roger Jr. Daquera.
Hermoso Christine Ann Campuñon with honors.
Servo John Fernando Sanda.
Haji Rasul Johaima Bacarat with honors.
Cortero Mark Luis Salome.
Gonzales Gracemie Kedato with honors.
Bidua John Kayan Gabin.
Gepe Saibel Glitz Corpus with honors.
Arriego Darrell J. Albania.
Gaspar Precious Nicole Rojas with honors.
Barrientos Keynes Lois Salvador.
Maripel Shaima Magon with honors.
Zamora Von Carlo Dumundon.
Mamingyala K. Demetilio with honors.
Victorino Jose Ivan Moreno.
Mambao Alona Akang with honors.
Timalog Allen Rondo Dorado.
Mamalo Nor Haifa Bakarat with honors.
Salmoni Raymond Paul Mangaw.
Malngan Claire Venice Gel Uberes with honors.
Rodrigo Jan Aladin Biesa.
Madar Marites Calibayan with honors.
Rosal Jan Paul Cervantes.
Makmod Muhaira Baningin with honors.
Ramos Ed Peter I Villesa.
Mabinay Alexandra Labajo with honors.
Pitaka Earl John Lorenzo.
Lumataw Micaela Lacorte with honors.
Pinaso James Vincent Agan.
Lumakwas Scarlett with honors.
Oria Fernando Luis Picanya.
Lasanas Evon Grace Iko with honors.
Mamait Edward Paul Raicon.
Lanao Baisopina Kusain with honors.
Agbanwa John Paul Lacoro.
Lagidong Adriana Sofia Andagan with honors.
Pagutaw Johan Andre Buhian.
Peñol Princess Excel Eldo with honors.
Molo Charles Vincent Espinosa.
Pavia Reina Angela Panizales with honors.
Medida John Virgo Mabasa.
Patrimonio Generos Calinog with honors.
Malana Jose Charmy Gloran.
Padre Erich Caril Lomboy with honors.
Hoyong Kirby Rolf Aligonero.
Nochete Raidinayan Maravillosa with honors.
Gulangayan Cedric Berbanio.
Narios Bernice Kelly Lostina with honors.
Gonzales Grace Paul Divon Lonchong.
Narios Carolyn Fernandez with honors.
Gampong DJ Danilo Bedico.
Mosque Danica Joy Sevilla with honors.
Gamino Rainier Armada.
Mortera Lawrence Joy Ponciano with honors.
Formentera Keith Cesar de los Reyes.
Mortera Siren May Calmeron with honors.
Dasargo Jeremy James Casaquete.
Moreno Quincy Repollo with honors.
Catalunya Cyril Riael Nexter.
Miguel Lexi Nietzsche with honors.
Kabuga Mark Justin Ray Salvador.
Marquez Joan Faith Pendon with honors.
Famoso Charles Cyro Ilalto.
Puto Painisan Untong with honors.
Domingo Albridge Lorino.
Tuong Princess Anne Kapinpin with honors.
Istor Jefferson John Covo.
Toledo Karen Rose Valencia with honors.
Daras Arjov Malapangi.
Chidoro Althea May del Rosario with
Calderon
honors.
Jacobo Robert Castillon.
Sobando Atasha Rose Ovillanos with honors.
Pianson Jerome Pauya.
Sema Bendita Dabil with honors.
Baruca Jacob Barrios.
Salukana Queenie Diantan with honors.
Alpas Prince Charles Lambo.
Salice Generos Evangelio with honors.
Acosta Jason Catalunya.
Salde Jenny May Sakilabon with honors.
Zerudo Miguel Calderon.
Sacas Evangelia C with honors.
Filijo Francis Ryan Caro.
Sakayan Erich Joy Amoto with honors.
Tuan Muyin Maron.
Rebamonte Raisha May Butalan with honors.
Kibete Zairo Poras.
Pernato Isha Layawon with honors.
Dian Chris Jade Bacornay.
Timalog Ainak Chavez.
Celo Josie Jr. Fabia.
Tiferia Bea Trinidad.
Basong Nico Brian Alpas.
Kaligdong Marshall Faith Bauya.
Acosta Jomar Solongon.
Calavia Jervelin Pangandian.
Tabura Alvin John Maravilla.
Abarido Jamie Ann Ligarda.
Silva Rojan Jacob Robles.
Zakaria Hasmin Danko with honors.
Monteroso Cristan Dave Magtulis.
Isulen Babylin Espuertas with honors.
Lumenda Akbar Khan Egkao.
Iray Ira Rubino with honors.
Lumbuan Jeremy Bacadon.
Verador Princess Nicole with honors.
Coswangco Michael Villegas.
Vigno Princess Anne Buston with honors.
Joven Ray Andrew Panes.
Vilia Risha May Sage with honors.
Gumban Uriel Anthony Miguel.
Viado Hazel Jane Pantaleon with honors.
Jimenez Jerian Tampos.
Huy Gisea Mel Faye Bacchiano with honors.
Paulete Paul J. Herrera.
Tadeo Maria Vanessa Paches.
Balmosena Clarence James Vergara.
Salvador Ashley May Espole.
Bagundang Monier Padasan.
Boras Rachel K. Escalor.
Bade Chandel Sofe.
Nyar Nicole J. Yal.
Akang Joharis Makakena.
Minandang Ganda Morohamsar.
Abdullah J.R. Kapitan.
Mangumpit Catherine Elesis.
Abadilla Jade Michael Galoy.
Makol Farisha Ismael.
Valdez Jairus Ray Baredo.
Leono Kyla Clarice Miranda.
Valdez Saijan J. Baredo.
Labios Precious Queenie de Monteverde.
Sean Jover Benacosa.
Kasili Bainisa Salumandi.
Lencio Rioben Almacen.
Gililang Demishane de la Puedra.
Labajo Mike Gabriel Apiag.
Garcilia Shaira Palua.
Elemento Paul J. Dique.
Tuloho Rogue Ibanez.
Valencia James Ryan Rodriguez.
Pama Cyril May Garden.
Rodolfo Julius Cesar Becero.
Oro Cassandra Saibia Gonzalez.
Rapusas Mavin J. Anas.
Orcales Vinat Oriel.
Foras Rico Carlo Bascos.
Leisa Natalie Shane Albania.
Pasangal Alnor Vidial.
Lapu Salima Maminio.
Ordovas Kenneth Bringas.
Garcia Robian de la Cruz.
Moreno Joy Salvador.
Evangelista Precious Ashley Ipis.
Fernandez J.C. Tormes.
Di Josh Sherlyn Aleja Villarin.
Popular Charles Rainier Badayos.
Katuto Sarah Jane Ferrer.
Europa John Kenneth Dorado.
Bonita Rochelle Nice Intivano.
Carvajal Lebron Lennon Badong.
Bihogan Laila Rubrico.
Calves Christian J. Pelaez.
Baruquillo Altea Pearl Siva.
Barba Jose Antonio Parsha.
Bacan Stephanie Espuertas.
Pasandalan Tahir Gendale.
Lumugdang Crystal Joy Milian.
Pakako Michael John Pareño.
J. Julian Pedregosa.
Obrador J. Lu Bonita.
Kadatuan Rihanna Balagsikan.
Marcelino Renz.
Luzada Laris Haute.
Las Piñas Chris Junel Garden.
Dabo Precious Janty Navarro.
Gargaritano Chichomar Villarojo.
Cordelo July Jane
Fundador Kenneth Jude Ortuoste.
Celestial Hazel Ann Fabular.
Escalera Andrew Porras.
Calderon Jemilia Fabular.
Delaben Jayan Carlo Dadivas.
Cabrillos Erica Camacho.
Dayon Christian Paul Pareño.
Travilla Kathleen Julian.
Cordero Justine Peñaflor.
Diad Irian Jade Adolfo.
Apit John Earl Buhay.
Silva Rihanna Patrice Tugose.
Moten Alden Sir Amino.
Samson Judy Bascos.
Mangudadato Dato Kebo Abrasado.
Dapil Maria Mapanga.
Mingel A.J. Endigay.
Coronado Abigail Jodoro.
Manjada Rufino Kaubay.
Kaobay Jenjen Ligisin.
Labuayan Cocoayan Reyes.
Castor Chris Michelle Jr.
Kapitana Paulo Aborakis.
Castillo Angeline Custodio.
Apas Arvic Verga.
Arellano Josephine Yama.
Darhan Ilswil de la Gracia.
Amilodin Ami Mamilango.
Feliciano Comrado Caballero.
Abala Charmaine Gold.
Barber Alzahir Raho Magon.
Ukom Norhamina Ahmad.
Tig-ing Runelo Bataluna.
Obaldo Merijoy Dipol.
Ukom Asir Abad.
Sazon Claire Nicole Capablanca.
Silva Nathaniel Balagman.
Parinyo Kathleen Joy Plantig.
Saldo Christian Sanggolian.
Nana Pinelope Dailan Di Pasupil.
Repal Saniboy Pesedes.
Saliling Nordalisa Ahamad.
Publico Jelmar Jr. Casipong.
Ribaula Nadine Togalon.
Lagyalam Jomari Basmayor.
Panolino Danica Diamante.
Boris Cesar Jan Naputol.
Ondao Princess Kasan.
Besabelia Brian Dave Cabasa.
Nuto Lovely Bosque.
Belvis Kenneth Hentica.
Moicon Hanilin Magundan.
Aiko Christian Dinosta.
Makodi Salima Uto.
Bagares Michael Berina.
Lumawag Ilan Pama.
Andog Onos Castillo.
Laurenti Rosel de Mesa.
Rabago Reden Sargado.
Haki Ivy Parcon.
Osano Joseph Aliador.
Halaghay Alethea Pinedo.
Noble John Ray Montibon.
Gabayron Justrin May Kaengles.
Akang Jehad Makakena.
Diskaya Crishavin Flora.
Tagadiad Chumar Balunga.
Kayabya Princess Kate Pistanyas.
Sambulawan Rasadan Lumenda.
Candido Charmaine Laping.
Panagi JV.
Caballero Shaira Rica Bano.
Pagayon Dexter James Bracamonte.
Kabadunga Shena Pacardo.
Pagayon David Bracamonte.
Bonita Princess Colleen Quizon.
Noto Renjay Ragindin.
Bidio Kishafe Balahera.
Liza Adrian Garmay.
Bautista Audrey May Palmes.
Laquit Christian James Horilio.
Balyaran Sofia Gwen Gurubat.
Jeronimo John Carl de la Torre.
Anaya Mary Joy de la Cruz.
Evangelista Cyril Chan Garde.
Abilol Faldana Gyapal.
Cargo Earl Dwight Lopez.
Tuba Queni Adlawan.
Alavata Al Riquezo.
Tingzon Jambi Casanya.
Pampag Johnny Junior Flores.
Taladhay Charlene May Bahaw.
Ortega J. March Alvarinho. Baladsikan Maslima Manginyog,
Murao Cesar Aaron Sagilabon,
Badilla Lorraine Jane Paklibar,
Mayormente Sai Giancarlo Moreno,
Abogadil Kena Arzaga,
Kamsa John Kenneth Menuto,
Laho Marjorie Badajos,
Hassan Ismael Abdullah,
Sokandan Angeline Heron,
Galoy Ramel Datig,
Saavedra Jeneline Vista,
Foro Carlos Villote,
Ramirez Giselle Rich Cordero,
Fantastico Dolny Sani Songkayawon,
Palmes Cristaliza Perez,
Iterosa John Aris Daquiado,
Pagabangan Monaira Bolitintik,
Divinagracia Jonathan Mata,
Mulid Sheka Manzano,
Dalamba Shameron Gamilon,
Leono Kayla Irish Miranda,
Pepitil Brian James Torreja,
Ginang Lian Josefeya Batyansela,
Peterbo Raven Plaza,
Floro Ayesa Faith Bidaure,
Besona Jarrell Andy Estopito,
Alando Gemelin Toli,
Batawan Aljon Indap,
Abdulgani Bayan Irish Berbanyo,
Pantolio Christian Gamora,
Tinio Maria Michelle,
Alunsaga Janray Daanoy,
Usman Elamay Halaw,
Vilan Carlos de la Rosa,
Rosal Jenny Macaraeg,
Tolentino Prince Staffrey Garcia,
Handay Christine Alhambra,
Timonio Ricardo Jr. Doloho,
Padasan Afra Tungay,
Tayong Carl Leonard Santiago,
Ikawalo Julie Jean Vicente,
Radyamoda Jomel Dave Billones,
Fabricar Wings Ezekiel Parcon,
Kitong Prince Earl de Fonturo,
Kausing Vitguin Rakaza,
Paspi Ernest Gonzalez,
Bualan Suraida Gani,
Pandita Ali Kamsa,
Bitoon Jimariel Tagadian,
Sulaiman Ryan Undao,
Banyares Shelamay Billones,
Sarona Lucky Kurt,
Gonzaga Erica Faye Daanoy,
Perez Jose Jory Jr. Rotelo,
Gape Stephanie La Vega,
Palwa Ryan Jason Martizano,
Eslabon Shahana Banyas,
Nocos Edrich Anthony Ramiscal,
Catalan Kirsten Lair Bermejo,
Mercado Jean-Carl Pindaton,
Bisera Gracie May Dancel,
Magno John Ivan Diamante,
Bangkiao Laika Jean Lerado,
Lim Justin Arland Catalonia,
Almeron Angel May Bustamante,
Lamigo Cyrus Jello Capapas,
Aguilar Hana Meya Ribacho,
Lamire Sean Enzo Ortizo,
Solongon Jillian May Panage,
De Vera David Charles,
Porcadilla Jeremy Alada,
Binyas Wilter Moso,
Trinidad Princess Dominguez,
Bilbao Ethan Paul Escosa,
Bantuan Baby Mangogel,
Pasandalan Benjamin Indap,
Damundo Baby Jane Uday,
Labuayan Edsel Arc Malumpong,
Dagohoy Alaina Batoy,
Riales Froilan Mark Luis,
Kasan Kayla Yuliran,
Dimesa Brian Canabuan,
Camo Devi Shane Murillo,
Di Guzman JP Padura,
Bolido
Leonardo Michelle Mamain.
Malasabas Glenn Kyle Mumar.
Babia Denise K. Enorio.
Biaka Nathaniel Magno.
Adayon Kea Asherin Bawe.
Baldonasa Dave.
Villanueva Jera Gizara Bermejo.
Angeles Andre Cajao.
Utap Risha Shihana Rose Amino.
Ali Ibrahim Usman.
Sema Ayesha Mamantal.
Villanueva Ken Jake Sambahon.
Muhammad Ishak Rasha Alamada.
Usop Dato King Amino.
Maslamama Pariza Abdul.
Tulag Fahad Silungan.
Labid Eunice Claire Arnaldo.
Beho Michael Angelo Gocotano.
Tadena Princess Ruby Bagares.
Barela Mark Vincent David.
Tabuhara Veronica Bayok.
Bania John Michael Sanoy.
Cebucao Lovely Jane Seba.
Abdul Spen Junior Gumban.
Semoba Precious K. Kamike.
Tumagantang Tom Jasis.
Racho Realin Sibua.
Taop Ashraf Mamandeg.
Perez Lady Cyrus Posadas.
Sean Mark Neshtan Antonino.
Marin Marie Chris Villarta.
Sakandal Abdullah Mangkot.
Macabio Blessy May.
Rapista Christian Mark Matanoy.
Lita Shelu Lanuza.
Peñafiel Joshua Armada.
Landap Warda Usman.
Pilaes Yan Adi de la Cruz.
Landap Asra Usman.
Malaay John Lester Reyes.
Espuertas Casey Juanico.
Moico Juan Miguel Banyes.
Ediamos Angela Dizo.
Pama Darrell Pagdato.
Rojo Elona Dagook.
Moiso John Lowe Concepcion.
Quijada Angeline Martizano.
Leona Gilbert Esportas.
Puente Espina Jillian Therese Diongal.
Lagdamat Carl Joseph.
Palek Marian Salisi.
Gayaban Charles Marlon Bunayos.
Medina Lian Gepolan.
Gandal Gerald Rico.
Masangay Kate Ashley Brazal.
Ferrell John Kyle Dongon.
Madihanon Andrea May de Guzman.
Darhan Richard Caballero.
Kabugatan Asia Uto.
Potingho Jaden Toilo.
Fermo Honey Jane Endaya.
Seria Alessandro Magbanwa.
Espolgar Elsie Jane Montales.
Katoto Christian Dolor.
Eliarda Cassandra Faith Billones.
Kalong John Ruby Cordeza.
Cabaral Kezi Grace.
Boysan Arvin Mainar.
Talusan Jehan Kamen.
Velches Carlo de Mesa.
Herrera Sharin Panes.
Soronio John Joseph Balmores.
Celebre Angel Daniel.
Siman Christian John Gaspar.
Billones Angelia May.
Serenica Rico Mambe.
Ballesteros Emigene Labuayan.
Sandigan Brian Baladsikan.
Adorable Precious Nicole Olesco.
Salmo Algie Alayon.
Suyat Marie Chris Seva.
Robrico Joel Rendon.
Saliling Raisa Uto.
Rendon John Edward Paladja.
Liagas Julia May Sobremisana.
Peñas Rodel James Donguines.
Aligunero Abigail Ampatuan.
Pastorel Gerald Malio.
Abdullah Alia Zage Takam.
Bansalaw Oliver Leon.
Sindo Johaina Alip.
Almirante Christian Balolong.
Sabido Winnie Panes.
Ali Muhammad Ayan Shera.
Kabog Bailin Panalangin.
Mampo Mark Saldof Talmig.
Aguirre Mariel Navarro.
Kicho Brian Carl Joseph Yanto.
Arquero Ana Tricia Manangan.
And Kabaging John Paul Clemente.
Kaubay Kay Lacson. Coliano Shanvi Damandaman. Flaga Shay Nicole Solongon. Lihay-lihay Krisha May Sean.
Let's give them a big round of applause. Our deepest gratitude to our education program supervisor for Araling Panlipunan, Sir Cesar Q. Antolin, for graciously leading the distribution of certificate. Ladies and gentlemen, we now arrive at a moment of great inspiration. To impart His wisdom, ignite our aspiration, and guide our completers as they step into a new chapter of their journey. It is a great honor and pride that we present our school's division superintendent, Sir Hildo G. Mosqueda, CEO 6, duly represented by our education program supervisor for Araling Panlipunan, Sir Cesar Q. Antolin. May we all rise in respect as we warmly welcome him for his message.
Be seated, everyone. Thank you so much, Sir Jeffrey, for the kind introduction. Before I convey to you, ladies and gentlemen, the message of our Schools Division Superintendent, allow me first to convey my utmost respect and courtesy to our school heads in Tacloban National High School, Sir Martin I. Diaz, along with the assistants, Ma'am Esther Yuliaran, Sir Lloyd Dalaya, as well as to our academic coordinators in junior high school, my good friend, Ma'am Jean Fermin, to the senior high school academic coordinator, Ma'am Maris Oy, to our grade 10 teachers, headed by the grade 10 head, my good friend, Sir Roderick Palmares, and of course to our faculty and staff of this institution, to our keynote speaker, Engineer Adrian Manalo, which will be properly introduced later, and of course to our parents and to our completers. Once again, isang mapagpalang umaga po sa ating lahat. Thank you. I really appreciate that the Magalang Bao, that's the identity of the students of Tacloban National High School, still alive and it's being practiced by our students. It feels good really to be back to the institution that had been part of my professional career for 16 years. Just imagine, for quite a number of years, I'd been part of the strong, dedicated, and committed teaching force of National High School. And now, beyond my dreams, I never thought that someday I'll become someone that will be giving an inspiration message in behalf of our Schools Division Superintendent in the Schools Division Office of Tacloban City. Allow me first to extend my felicitations and warmest congratulations to all of our completers for the class 2026. And of course, my gratitude to our parents and the guardians who had been the wings behind the success of our completers today. With this, allow me to share with you the message of our Schools Division Superintendent, Sir Hildo G. Mosqueda, CAO 6. Today marks a significant milestone in your academic journey as we celebrate the end of the school year rights for the school year 2025-2026. This occasion is not only a recognition of your academic accomplishments, but also a celebration of your perseverance, growth, and readiness to take on greater responsibilities in life. This is just the start of your journey. This year's theme, Filipino